Quick global update for today. So the US Treasury yields slipped once again on Thursday after the latest inflation data showed an unexpected drop. The rate on the 10-year Treasury slid around 3 basis points to 4.264%. The benchmark note yield was also hit its lowest level since April 1st, briefly trading at 4.24%. The Treasury Secretary said the U.S. debt load is reasonably placed, but if it remains at this level, and U.S. market yesterday was down, both Dow and Nasdaq was down by 250 and 350 points respectively. But by today morning, it basically recovered and it closed flat. But the European market was down by 2%. Yesterday, as there was some kind of a rumor of Russian currency ruble devaluation by 124% against dollar. So Russian market fell by almost 700, 800 points yesterday. And because of that, Russian stock market trading were halted against the Euro-USD currency trades. So, and also the FTSE also was down about 700 points yesterday. And as of now, Europe market is still looks a little bearish. So that's the global market update. Moving on to Indian market. So Nifty closed positive yesterday, but as we anticipated, we opened at 23,400 level, and then actually market slided down and basically took a support at 23,350 level, which we were anticipating yesterday. And on the upside, it got a resistance at 23,400. So again, if we have to look at for today, then 23,400 is the next resistance, and the top resistance would be 23,500. On the downside, the expectation is 23,200, 23,300 level. So if a market closes below this level 23,003 and it sustains around this 23,300 level, then probably we can see some corrections on the downside. But on the upside, the resistance looking quite strong at 23,400 and 500 level. So we'll quickly look into the option chain. So this is the new expiry for Nifty, 20th June, the current expiry. So if we see yesterday, 23,400 is where it closed. So right now, both the highest Y and the highest volumes are trading at 23,400. So right now, market there has no clear direction which side it wants to go. So it can go down, it can go up. So it's only after opening the market opening we'll kind of get to know. But as of now, 23,400 is looking tough to break. So if it has to break, it has to break with some good positive news or good volume on the upside, but which is less likely. And my expectation is that we may see some profit booking from here on. Little bit of corrections is expected. Looking at Bank Nifty also, there was hardly any movement yesterday. It was quite flat, as you can see. So it opened about 50,000 at around 50,000 level, and then took a pause at 49,900 level, and then came down to 49,800. So downside support is at 49,739, followed by 49,630. On the upper side, for 50,100 and 50,278. So these are the two resistance level. We'll quickly look at the option chain for Bank Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty also looks to be trading at 50,000 with highest volume and highest Y. So there is no clear direction in Bank Nifty as well. So we need to see after market opens which side it moves. So as of now, we are seeing 50,000 is a strong resistance and as well as strong support. So it has to break either side with strong volume for it to take a direction. Looking at mid cap is still looking bullish, and if you see, it has actually taken a support at 54,400 level, then it crossed and took a support at 54,600, and now it is towards the upside. So hopefully 54,800 could be a rejection, because we saw it. If you see, there is a wick on the top. So probably 54,800 could act as a resistance, and then we have to see if market takes a little bit of a pullback from that level as far as mid cap is concerned. Small cap also right now looks quite bullish. As you can see the trend, it's come almost like 45-degree. So this level 17,900, it's getting a rejection here as of now. But if it breaks and then takes a support at this level, probably 18,000 will be the next target. The downside levels are for 17,800, followed by 17,750. So these are the two levels that can be support for today. So sectoral rotations, there's not much change, of course, from the current week. The sector that we want to focus on still remains the same. Media, of course, media we have taken a call. Agriculture, healthcare, information technologies, and gas transmissions and hospitality. So these are the 4-5 sectors which we need to look into going forward, as I feel there is good amount of opportunity there, because these are the sectors which were pretty strong, but now it's slightly bitten down. So, and we are seeing a good amount of consolidation in these sectors. So probably it will be a good idea to invest in this few sectors. So as you can see now, it started picking up. Agriculture we have been talking about from last few days. So we are seeing that deliveries started picking up. So it's a good time to probably buy some of these agricultural stocks. Then finance for yesterday, so shipbuilding and diamond jewelry and paper. So these are the sectors where we are seeing a good amount of delivery. So probably for intraday level also, we can probably focus on some of the stocks from these particular sectors. So that's about it from the research desk.